Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique, and today's video is going to be focused on some of the boxes that I have gotten from Benefit Cosmetics lately. The last few months, we know I have not been filming, so I wanted to catch up, and I've got like 3 months worth of boxes here that I wanted to go through and show you guys what they sent, and then you can let me know if you're interested in tutorials on anything. Also, I know I've wore this look in a few videos now. That's because I'm trying to film several videos in one day, and I'm really super committed to keeping up with my 3-day-a-week uploading schedule, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So sometimes I have to film several videos in the same day. So let me roll the intro and then we'll get right into it. Okay, so the first little box, they always send these cute little boxes. This is Benefit Club Pink. So this is a PR box that I received. This is for smaller influencers who are on their PR list. Bigger influencers get like the whole big thing, but I love how they do this. They send out a little box every month with like a few little things in it for us to be able to try out, sample, or test out. So this month that I got this, which I think this one might have been 3 months ago. This is the Browvol Conditioning Primer and the 24-Hour Brow Setter Gel. This Browvol Conditioner Primer, if you have a lot of brows, which I don't, but I'll tell you that I like this anyways, and I'll tell you why. If you have bushy brows though, it's like a brow gel, but it like gives you that really feathered look, and you just brush it through and it's like so nice. And I even use that sometimes with the little bit of brow hairs that I have, and this is super nice. And then the brow setter is the same thing. This one is clear, I think. Yes, this is the Invisible Shaping, Setting, and Brow Gel. And the brow conditioner, it also like nourishes and moisturizes your brows, keeps them like healthy looking and everything. So these are two really good products. The brow setter is $24. The brow conditioning primer is $28. And you can get these at like Ulta. The next box they sent is a little box of minis. And they send minis. That's my favorite, especially mascaras, because I like the mini mascaras as opposed to the big ones. I just like the way they feel in my hand better. And then also it's really hard for me to go through a big tube of mascara in the 3 months that you're supposed to. So even if I purchase a mascara, I purchase the mini, because even though it's not got as much product in it, I'm not going to be able to use all that product anyways, and I might as well save myself a little bit of money. So they sent a little mini of the Roller Lash, which is my favorite, one of my all-time favorites. It's in my top 2 favorite mascaras, and I love this especially when I'm wearing falsies. I actually put it on after I put my falsies on, and it kind of rolls my lashes up into my falsies, and that's literally the truth. It's so awesome. And then they also sent the Bad Gal Bang, and I'm just gonna be honest, I have not tried this simply because it's hard for me to put down the roller lash. And then the next one they sent is the They're Real, and I haven't tried this one either because I have only tried the roller lash out of these 3 because I love the roller lash, and it's really hard for me to find a mascara that I love, and I'm like a creature of habit. I always stick with it. So if I was going to recommend one out of these, I would recommend the Roller Lash, but I also haven't tried the other 2, so I don't know if you want to like trust me on that. And then the next box they sent is super cute. It's called Mini Moments of Happiness, and it's another like little pocket size. Oh, these are the little tints. Like, so this is the Posie tint, and it's a poppy pink tinted lip and cheek stain. I actually have one of these myself that I purchased. I don't think it's this shade. I don't think it's either of these shades actually, but these are so nice. It's very natural. I can do a tutorial on these if you guys want. Just let me know in the comments. But you can like put it on your cheek, and it just gives you like a dab of natural looking color, and you can put it on your lips, and it's like a little lip stain. And then there's another color here, and this is the Cha Cha tint. This one's like a mango tinted, and then this one was more of like a poppy pink tinted. And then they also sent this like cute little bandana thingy. So like, look how cute it's going. I love this, and I'm gonna be wearing it. You do not have to worry. This is super cute, and I'm so grateful. I love it when brands send like little things like this. These are super cool, like to wear normally, but also like when you're wanting to put your hair back to like take your makeup off and stuff. Like, this is super cute, and I'm very excited for it. Benefit Cosmetics is like one of my favorite brands to get PR from because they send the little minis and stuff, and also their packaging is like these little small boxes. A lot of brands send these big huge boxes with hardly anything in it, and it's like so much work to like break down, and I'm not complaining about that, but it just seems excessive and like a lot of waste, and Benefit really does a good job of compacting their little boxes and stuff. So that's like the last 3 boxes that I've gotten. I've also gotten one, which I don't know what I did with it yet, but it does have their new microblading brow pencil or pen, and I really want to do a video for you guys on that. So let me know what you think about that. It looks like your brows are microbladed, allegedly. So I'd like to try it out and see what you guys think about that. Okay, so that's all for this video. I know it's kind of short or whatever, but I just wanted to kind of fill you guys in on what I've been getting, share it with you guys, and I like to do just individual little videos for each brand, because then I feel like I really get to show you guys the PR that I get, and not to be like, oh, look at this PR I got. But it's just to show you guys like how much you've helped me. I'm on this PR list because of you, so I want to be able to share with you everything that I get. And then it also makes me feel like, listen, PR is sent to you to see if you like their products, and hopefully you'll use them, but it's not required. But for me, I just feel so grateful to be on these PR lists that I wanted to be able to showcase them, and I feel like this is the best way for me to do that, to like show my gratitude to you guys and to the brand who sends me the PR, is to be able to do an individual video showcasing each of the products so you guys get to see, and then I can explain a little bit about what they are and like maybe give you some pricing and stuff like that. Let me know if you like this style of video, and I'll keep doing it. I've got tons and tons of stuff to show you guys, and I'm really excited to do that. Alright, I love you all, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!